Ready, study, go! Brown color, orange color, black color, yellow color, green color, blue color, red color. Hi kids, today we can learn the fruit's name. Apple. What is the color of apple? Red color. What fruit is this? Apple fruit. What fruit is this? Apple fruit. Grapes. What fruit is this? Grapes. What color is this? Violet. What fruit is this? Grapes. Cherry. What fruit is this? Cherry. What color is this? Red color. What fruit is this? Cherry. Banana. What fruit is this? Banana. What color is this? Yellow color. What fruit is this? Banana. Orange. What fruit is this? Orange. What color is this? Orange. What fruit is this? Orange. Strawberry. What fruit is this? Strawberry. What color is this? Red color. What fruit is this? Strawberry. What color is this? Red color. Watermelon. What fruit is this? Watermelon. What color is this? Red color. What fruit is this? Watermelon. Muskmelon. What fruit is this? Muskmelon. What color is this? Green color. What fruit is this? Muskmelon. Pear. What fruit is this? Pear. What color is this? Green. What fruit is this? Pear. Blueberry. What fruit is this? Blueberry. What color is this? Blue color. What fruit is this? Blueberry. Pineapple. What fruit is this? Pineapple. What color is this? Yellow color. What fruit is this? Pineapple. Once again, apple, grapes, cherry, banana, orange, strawberry, watermelon, muskmelon, pear, blueberry, pineapple. Happy learning, kids!